everyone, and I hope you're all doing great. So we are now finally done. Well, not finally, but it's been a long series, and we're now done with the AWS Fundamentals series. It was very enjoyable and very fun, and I hope you all enjoyed it. So I just want to take the time to just thank you all for watching my videos, and also to those of you that have been liking my videos, commenting, and also a big thanks to all of my subscribers. I really appreciate all of you very much. So thank you for that as well. So we are now done with AWS fundamentals. So now, as I promised in the last video, I believe, of the Django series, I did say that I was going to cover cloud computing for a while solely, which I have. And we are now going to focus now on combining cloud computing with Django, which is one of the things that I was mentioning. So you can look forward to some videos on that very soon, as I said. Okay, so I just wanted to give a big thank you. That's the main reason for this video. And just to sum it all off and just to finish up that series on AWS fundamentals. But yeah, thank you guys. I hope you learned something in this series. And yeah, thank you again. Big thank you for all the support and everything. It really means a lot to me. And yeah, I hope everything goes well with you guys and that you're learning a lot. But anyway, big thanks to you guys and all the best. So yeah, you can look forward to a few videos on what I meant with cloud with Django. Soon enough, we'll be combining a few things, like I said. And the first step to that combining cloud with Django would be with Docker. Okay, so before we can get to that advanced level of combining cloud computing with Django, we need to take a look at Docker. And that will soon lead us to Dockerizing our Django application and, mixing it up with Amazon ECR, ECS, containerizing our Django applications, as I said earlier on. And yeah, that's what you can look forward to soon enough. Okay, so that's it, guys. I just want to give a big thank you to you guys. And yeah, that's it. All the best. Thank you again, guys.